Wetin be this one like this? Been through many things, many gists, but I still find my peace in one leg. Ha! Ayé yìí rẹ̀ mí o. Ha! Hey! My people, another story now I dey hear be say the nurse wey give Mohbad injection abi na drugs no be registered nurse o. Yeah. But why dis country dey like dis sef? Why person wey dem no register enter hospital begin dey treat person? Who even send dis nurse? Who even give her permission? No be a whole hospital she don put for trouble now. But dis our country sef, considering our judicial system, can we get the justice we are clamoring for? What do you think? So na the matter be that o. As the story dey come, I go dey give una hot. Make una no forget to drop una comments for our comment section, and make una try follow us for our social media platforms at Naija Series.